garage. It's a beautiful day here. We're gonna go over this amazing, I'm going the wrong way. It's amazing 94 Specialrado. You're asking, Specialrado, I wonder why you would call it the Specialrado. Well, for one, it's a Silverado edition. Two, the person that ordered it and bought it was special. So to me, it's the Specialrado, also known as Old Blue. So Old Blue was Papaw's truck. Papaw left us in 2020. Very, very, very sad day. Very special man. Missed greatly. But when Papaw passed away, I was going to sell the truck, help Grandma with some more of her expenses and stuff. And I thought to myself, you know what? I've got to have Papaw's truck. I'm not going to let him sell that thing. It's got to be in my garage. I'm going to take care of it, and I'm going to keep it forever. It's been garage kept pretty much all its life. Yeah, it's in a little salt. It's got some rust. Cap corner's starting to show a little bit. Rear fender wells. It happens. We're going to carpet clean the seats, wipe down the dash, clean the door jambs, clean the door panels, carpet clean those, because I don't know, the Silverados have carpeted door panels. Fancy stuff. So how about we dig in and see what we can do with this thing? Yep, there's the seat. And it's got some spots and some burn holes. She's been smoked in pretty heavy over the years. We're going to see if we can fix all that. All right, so we got the old Bissell out. Just a spot cleaner that the wife has. Don't tell her I'm using it. And we're going to try to clean these seats. This is the product we're going to use. Don't tell the wife I'm using this either. But let's see how it does. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if I can get you down in here. Hey, yeah. Well, that's what the guys got out of it so far. 30 years worth of junk. What I think the guy's going to do, so we put the solution in this section of the cleaning machine. I think what we're going to do this time is just put water, go over the whole thing one more time, kind of try to get some of that soapy solution out of there, and we'll see what happens. The guys got her filled up. We're going to go ahead and put it back in the machine, maybe. Yeah, we got it. Well, fellers, got her all cleaned up. Looks a lot better than it did. Just a little bit good up in there. So you gotta work on that a little bit. This is like spots where the carpet's missing. But all in all, I don't know if you remember that spot from earlier. Came out pretty good. I mean, it's spick and span in here. Wow. Well, a guy decided I'll throw a fan, blow a fan through there. I don't hurt nothing. Hey, help it dry a little faster. Let's stop with the seats. Might as well do some interior detail while we're at it. Waiting on the seats to dry. What else we got to do? So I'm gonna use some Greets Garage interior detailer. All surface maintenance with UV protection. It's pretty much got everything we need, it sounds like. You gotta get all them nooks and crannies. We get you under this thing and put our peepers on the frame and some of that stuff. See what kind of shape that's in. Well, a guy has wiggled his way under this thing. I don't have a lift, so what we got here? Little cheapy muffler from AutoZone. Aluminum drive shaft. See that? And that's the shape it's in all the way down through there. Over end. It's got like a 28-gallon fuel tank. I mean, it is serious. We're talking getting some mileage. Got a little tranny leak, 255,000 or 25,000. I'm not sure what you'd expect. It does have the 4L60E, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, 94 may have been the first year for that. Check out this cab corner. That is nice. That's sweet right there. All original cab corner on this thing. Fella had to get out of there. He was feeling a little claustrophobic. Too fat and old to be on a creeper trying to videotape underneath trucks. You get a lift in here or something. Original ashtray. Original hunting hat. I don't know what this is. Let's check this out. What's that? Boxcar Willie. Branson, Missouri. Heck yeah. All the good stuff. What do you guys think? Do you think we ought to try to LS swap this thing? Get rid of the TVs, the heebie-jeebie TVs. I mean, at some point, I'm afraid that the computer and the TV injection is going to probably flake out. And I thought about doing Holly Sniper, something like that. But the problem with this year, I think it was like 94, 95, the 4L60E transmission is different than the newer ones. They got different pinouts, different solenoids, different wiring internally in the valve body in the transmission. So to do that, I got to look and researching. Holly Sniper on it would be great, but then what do you do with the transmission? They do sell a transmission controller, but I'm pretty sure it won't do this older 4L60E. If somebody's done it before, maybe comment, get a hold of me and let me know. Maybe if you got some ideas. The other idea was this LS 12-foot find a donor truck, put an LS in it, put a newer 4L60E. I got HV tuners, tune VATs out, do all that kind of stuff, and update the truck a little bit. Make it to where, like, maybe we want to go to Branson, Missouri one of these days in this thing. Take this back to its old roots. Yeah, I would probably make it now, honestly. I would drive it to Florida tomorrow, to be honest with you. I mean, it's in that good a shape and it drives that good. But just kind of looking at the future. So that's where we're at with the power plants. Fire right up. See if we can get it out of this garage without taking the tail light off. It's kind of tight. Let me try to get her in here at an angle. Oh, pull up a smidge. All right. There we go. Got room on that side. You guys use your mirrors, or do you turn your head and look back like this? I always thought to use my mirrors. Oh, speaking of mirrors, about took that one off. We're getting there. We're about out. Let there be light outside. Oh, we got a red car over here. Look out. You guys left her outside. Let the windows down. Letting her dry out. She's looking pretty good. Tell you what, these seats were like some of the most comfortable seats GM ever come up with. The extended cab versions or the bucket seat versions were a little more comfortable. You can kind of lean them back, or it's a little bit more adjustment. But comfy. that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And just remember, like, comment, subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost us a penny. What do we have to lose, right? Well, thanks for watching. And this is Anderson's Garage. Over and out.